guys, welcome back to another vlog. So we're starting off this vlog with speeding.
Roller coaster.
Say hi to a vlog, yeah, man. Yeah, guys. So right now we're on the way to meet up with Reyes. We're gonna install his. He has an Evo 8, but he just bought some Evo 9 seats. So we're on the way to help him install them. He's in our house waiting. So stay tuned, guys. Yeah. So there's Reyes. Reyes Evo, and he has the blue seats, but he just bought the Evo 9 black one, so that's what we're gonna be doing today, guys. So stay tuned for that. That JDM rear. Alright, guys, so Reyes letting me drive his Evo. Those cams. Yeah, pretty nice Evo 8, man. They wanted to take that. So Reyes told me to just drive his. Even though it's like right next door. Yep, so it was a short drive. We're right here. As you guys know from other videos, this is our farm, and that's where we have the yellow Evo. So yeah, pretty much the same hood. This one's carbon fiber, and this one is also carbon fiber, right? Or yeah, right. Okay. Yeah. No, I'm good, man. So clean. We're part of the Clean Evil squad. Nah, I'm joking. So this is the process right here by installing the. But yeah. Pretty cold today, but we're still out here changing seats. People prefer these black Evo 9 seats than the Evo 8 seats. They're both great, but as you guys can tell, the black ones do seem to be a little bit cooler, just because of the texture and how they look, especially on Evos that are like gray and. And then we're gonna use those rails of these old Evo seats that we bought from Reyes and install them on the Kirkey seats. So we're gonna be able to install the Kirkey seats because the tune is tomorrow at 6 p.m. So we still gotta finish a little bit on it, like these wires and a little bit of other stuff. But that's it. We should have it done by tomorrow, because we have the tune tomorrow. So yeah, guys, thank you guys for watching, and I'll show you guys the progress later. All right, guys, so this is the almost finishing seats. They just need a little bit cleaning, but yep, super clean. If you guys are interested in Evo, this Evo right now, Brian's selling it for $18K. You guys leave a comment if you guys want to see it. Check it out. $18K, Brian? Yeah. So $18K. You guys are from Chicago or anywhere from Wisconsin. You guys want a nice clean Evo, come check out this one right here. It's for sale. No rust either too, like clean. Hasn't seen snow. 400 horsepower, guys. I'm joking, I don't know. But as you can tell, it's a pretty decently built car. So yeah, the Evo 8 to Evo 9 Z-Swap. So, it's all done. Check it out. That's how they look. Came out nice. They look nice. So yeah, now we're gonna go get food. Then we're gonna come back, finish the yellow Evo. Brian's gonna head out pretty soon. So yeah, guys, keep watching the video and thank you guys for watching.
¿Es el exhausto que le compré aquel, no? No, al último no lo compré, ¿verdad?
Finishing touching up. And then these seats are gonna go up for sale. If you guys are interested, give me $300 and they're yours, guys. So we're back again, and guess who decided to join us? Junie came over, and he's gonna help us work on the Evo a little bit more. We just went to get some food and some bolts so we can bolt on the Kirkey seats. So, damn, Brian closing it on me. But yeah, guys, so stay tuned. A lot to come. Alright guys, so Brian right here just finished with the custom brackets, and we're pretty much gonna install these, well, just the passenger tonight, right Brian?
Yeah, just tomorrow we'll do the driver's side.
Yeah, and then tomorrow the driver's side, and tomorrow's the big day, guys. We're gonna, hopefully, if everything goes right, what's happening tomorrow, Brian?
Getting it running.
Alright? Yeah. So we're gonna turn it on and hopefully start putting all those miles we gotta put. We're gonna clean that out, take the seats off, so just have two Kirkey drag seats in there. Already took out the spoilers, you guys can see. The carbon fiber dope look is coming. Obviously, you guys from the past video, the carbon fiber hood. And we pretty much just need to finish these wires up, and that's about it. Junie over there, he's been helping a lot. And what else we need, Brian?
Just the seats and a few wires, and then well, this should be all done.
Yeah. So yeah, we're pretty excited for tomorrow. Tomorrow's gonna be another vlog, guys. So I hope you guys check it out. And thank you guys again. I keep saying it, but thanks for the support. Thanks for the videos. I just do this for fun, man, and to show you guys the progress. If you guys have any questions, any comments, just leave them in the comment section below. I'll be more than happy to explain, or have Brian Jr. or whoever like be able to answer the question, guys. So stay tuned, guys. Alright guys, so right now we're making these holes right here for the bracket. This machine comes really handy. guys, so we finished the Kirkey seat. We needed to do like custom brackets and stuff like that, but this is the final result. Tomorrow we're gonna finish the next one, and I'm gonna end the vlog right here, guys. If you guys haven't subscribed, please hit that subscribe button. And tomorrow's gonna be more of a lit video. Definitely the first startup after a while, like almost 2 years of not starting up the car, actually building it and all that stuff. So tomorrow's gonna be the day it's gonna turn on, so please stay tuned for tomorrow's vlog. Peace.